This is Aeroquip part number FCM1013. It is also known as part number FBM1013, which is the bulk minimal packaging and eco-friendly version. It is described as a red and blue female -8 AN 37° SAE flare reusable aluminum swivel fitting. It is for use with both Aeroquip FBA0800 AQP racing hose and FBU0800 Start Light racing hose. Search the part number on hosewarehouse.com or click the link in the description below for instant pricing and to purchase. This item is stocked in Akron, Ohio in the United States.